Sonata Software is an Indian multinational company specializing in software services and technology solutions. It was founded in 1986 in Bangalore, India, by B. Ramaswamy and a team of professionals. Over the years, Sonata Software has evolved and grown to become a global player in the IT services industry. Sonata Software was established in 1986 as a joint venture between Indian businessmen and Computer Sciences Corporation, CSC, a US-based company. Initially, the company focused on providing software development and maintenance services to customers primarily in the US and Europe. Sonata Software started building expertise in enterprise resource planning, ERP, and emerged as one of the leading ERP service providers in India. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, Sonata Software expanded its service offerings and entered into strategic partnerships with leading technology companies like Microsoft and Oracle. The company diversified into areas such as e-commerce, customer relationship management, CRM, and supply chain management, SCM. Sonata Software's global presence grew as it established offices in the United States, Europe, the Middle East, and the Asia-Pacific region. In the mid-2000s, Sonata Software underwent a transformation to focus on providing software products and solutions to customers. The company developed proprietary software platforms and frameworks in areas like travel and transportation, retail, distribution, and software testing. Sonata Software expanded its global delivery capabilities by setting up development centers in India and other countries, enabling cost-effective and efficient service delivery. In recent years, Sonata Software has been at the forefront of digital transformation initiatives, helping businesses leverage emerging technologies like cloud computing, analytics, artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. The company has made strategic acquisitions to strengthen its capabilities and expand its service offerings. Notable acquisitions include iBase and Halosys, which enhanced Sonata's expertise in digital platforms and mobile application development. Sonata Software has also focused on building industry-specific solutions and forming partnerships with technology leaders to address the evolving needs of customers across various sectors. Today, Sonata Software operates as a global IT services and consulting company, serving customers in diverse industries such as retail, travel and hospitality, manufacturing, and software product companies. The company continues to innovate and adapt to technological advancements, playing a significant role in shaping the digital transformation journey for businesses worldwide.